Exhaust Practice Test 2026 Exhaust System Exam Questions and Automotive Test Prep. Question 1. Why are engine exhaust pipes sometimes coated with insulating material? To increase noise. To reduce heat transfer to other components. To cool the exhaust faster. To increase weight. Insulation protects sensitive parts from high exhaust temperatures. Question 2. A three-way catalytic converter is designed to reduce which emissions? NOx, HC, and CO2 and oxygen, nitrogen and water, soot only. It targets nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, and carbon monoxide. Question 3. What is a drawback of exhaust gas recirculation, EGR? Increased fuel efficiency, decreased thermal efficiency, reduced engine wear, cleaner air. EGR can lower thermal efficiency and increase HC emissions. Question 4. When exhaust back pressure increases, fuel consumption will typically decrease, increase, stay the same, fluctuate randomly. Increased resistance makes the engine work harder, consuming more fuel. Question 5. Exhaust manifolds are most commonly made from which material? Aluminum, cast iron, plastic, copper. Cast iron and stainless steel withstand high heat and pressure. Question 6. EGR is the most effective method for lowering which emission? NOx, HC, CO2. EGR lowers combustion temperatures, reducing NOx formation. Question 7. Which component is likely faulty if a car has decreased power and a rotten egg smell? Oxygen sensor, muffler, catalytic converter, exhaust hanger. A sulfur smell often indicates a failing catalytic converter. Question 8. What is the purpose of a resonator in an exhaust system? To increase back pressure, to tune out specific sound frequencies, to filter particles, to cool gases. Resonators help eliminate annoying exhaust drone. Question 9. A persistent rattle from the exhaust at low speeds is often caused by bad O2 sensor, loose or broken hangers, high-octane fuel, cold weather. Loose mounting hardware leads to vibrations and rattles. Question 10. What is the primary purpose of a flexible joint in an exhaust system? To increase noise, to reduce vibration and allow for engine movement, to filter NOx, to store condensation. Flex joints prevent the exhaust from cracking due to engine torque. Question 11. A hissing noise at the tailpipe that changes with engine speed suggests a clogged converter, a small crack or hole in the pipe, normal operation, low oil. Hissing is a common sign of a small exhaust leak. Question 12. In a dual exhaust system, soot on only one tailpipe might indicate normal variation, uneven engine wear or flow imbalance, empty fuel tank, broken radio. Imbalance suggests one side of the engine is running rich or restricted. Question 13. Intentional small holes in a section of exhaust pipe are often for drainage of condensation, reducing pressure, weight reduction, creating turbulence. Weep holes prevent rust-through from trapped water. Question 14. Mandrel bends are preferred in custom exhaust piping because they are cheaper, maintain a constant diameter throughout the bend, look better, are easier to weld. Mandrel bends prevent restriction in the corners, improving flow. Question 15. A white powder residue on the exhaust system usually indicates oil leak, coolant leak, leaded fuel use, normal converter operation. Burning coolant, antifreeze, often leaves a white residue. Question 16. What is the function of an oxygen O2 sensor? To measure exhaust temperature, to monitor oxygen levels for air-fuel ratio adjustment, to pump air into the manifold, to increase back pressure. The ECU uses O2 data to optimize the fuel mixture. Question 17. Back pressure is created when exhaust flow is restricted. True, false. Restriction from mufflers or small pipes creates back pressure. Question 18. OBDII codes for slow response usually refer to which component? Catalytic converter, oxygen sensor, EGR valve, muffler. O2 sensors can become lazy or slow as they age. Question 19. Which material is preferred for high-end exhaust systems due to corrosion resistance? Mild steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, cast iron. Stainless steel, 304 or 409, is much more durable. Question 20. What happens to volumetric efficiency if back pressure is excessive? It increases, it decreases, it stays the same, it fluctuates. Restriction prevents the cylinders from filling completely.